Starting around 02 August 2023, Chiliz basically is exchanging at $0.077 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.09%. In genuinely most recent 60 minutes, really in spite of mainstream thinking, CHZ really has an especially complete market cap of $544,869,473, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $27,223,073, or so they by and large thought. This sort of makes Chiliz, CHZ, kind of positioning at 69 in the cryptographic money market, which really is genuinely huge. In the event that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what sort of is the Chiliz cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Chiliz basically be worth in 2023, in a for the most part significant manner? Is Chiliz a wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in a genuinely large manner? Will CHZ cost truly outperform its unsurpassed sort of high in a very significant manner? These explicitly are our Chiliz cost expectations for CHZ''S' future, which in a real sense is very critical. Chiliz, CHZ, value expectation 2023. As per the Chiliz conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the CHZ cost truly is supposed to in every way that really matters, cross a very normal value level of $0.089, the normal genuinely least value worth of Chiliz, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to basically be $0.085. Besides, CHZ can fundamentally arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $0.100. Chiliz, CHZ, value estimate August 2023, for August 2023. The cost of Chiliz certainly is in a real sense anticipated to all things considered arrive at an especially normal cost of $0.081, while the coin could exchange between a really limit of $0.083 and a by and large least of $0.074 in an unpretentious manner. Chiliz, CHZ, value gauge September 2023, for September 2023. The cost of Chiliz generally will be by and large anticipated to arrive at an in every way that really matters, normal cost of $0.082, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $0.087 and a genuinely least of $0.079. Chiliz, a kind of wise venture, or especially worth purchasing in 2023. Extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking is as well. Chiliz value figure October 2023. The especially normal cost of Chiliz, CHZ, could especially go to $0.085 toward the finish of October 2023, which certainly is very huge. CHZ could explicitly be exchanging around a very greatest worth of $0.091, with the really least expected cost of $0.081, showing how Chiliz, CHZ, value estimate September 2023, for September 2023. The cost of Chiliz sort of is basically anticipated to arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of $0.082, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $0.087 and a sort of least of $0.079. So especially as Chiliz a by and large wise speculation are truly worth purchasing in 2023, which is genuinely huge. Chiliz value expectation November 2023. Chiliz cost especially is supposed to reach between $0.084 to $0.095 in November 2023, while the extremely normal cost of CHZ for the November especially remains around $0.087. Chiliz value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the kind of greatest cost for Chiliz could stretch around $0.100 in a fundamentally enormous manner. Besides, the minimum cost of CHZ in December 2023 generally is $0.085, with a very normal cost of $0.089. Chiliz past value examination, in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally has been somewhat diminished by 0.07%. In its most certainly current worth incredibly. Assuming we certainly look at the really current market cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap certainly is additionally down, or so they for the most part thought. From very most recent 7 days the CHZ generally was in every way that really matters, great vertical pattern, and expanded by 0.55% in an unpretentious manner. Chiliz explicitly has shown areas of strength for extremely all plans and purposes potential of late. And this could be excellent chance to sort of dive right in and contribute, genuinely further appearance how these generally are our Chiliz cost expectations for CHZ's future. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of CHZ for the most part diminished by 45.174%, wiping out an incredible sort of normal amount of $0.063 from its kind of current worth. So in every way that really matters, is Chiliz a fundamentally wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they sort of thought. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a sort of great all things considered purchase and open door for pretty speedy speculation. So CHZ truly has a really all-out market cap of $544,869,473, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $27,223,073 in a quite enormous manner. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 44.38%. And the cost commonly circled from a really least most certainly normal cost of 13 cents to sort of greatest fundamentally normal cost of 14 cents. In the very beyond 90 days, in a genuinely large manner, Chiliz explicitly is somewhere near 26.65%, with the greatest pretty typical cost of the coin truly was around 11 cents, and the especially least typical cost of sort of was around 11 cents in fundamentally beyond 4 months, showing that besides CHZ can for the most part arrive at a very greatest value level of $0.100. Chiliz, CHZ, value gauge August 2023. For August 2023 the cost of Chiliz is truly anticipated to truly arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $0.081, while the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of $0.083 and a fundamentally least of $0.074 in an all things considered significant way. Chiliz value gauge 2023 facts. What will really be Chiliz truly worth in 2023? In a kind of significant manner, the CHZ value sort of is gauged to explicitly arrive at an especially greatest degree of $0.100, with sort of least cost of $0.085 toward the finish of 2023, exhibiting that Chiliz value gauge 2023 facts. What will sort of be Chiliz worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Does Chiliz by and large have a future, which generally is very critical? As far as value, Chiliz sort of has an exceptional sort of potential to generally arrive at new levels, or so they in a real sense thought. It basically is conjecture that CHZ will increment in esteem in an unobtrusive way. As per fundamentally unambiguous specialists and business investigators, Chiliz can stir things up around town all aims and purposes, greatest cost of $2.70